y'all? Happy Saturday. I hope y'all are having a great day today. My husband requested tacos, so you guys are going to get to see me make delicious tacos, Gina Young style. I hope you're having an amazing day today, and if you're not, hopefully I can brighten up your day with this here video. The ingredients I'm using. I got some ground beef here, around about 2 pounds. It's an 80-20 ground beef. I'm going to be using a nice sweet Vidalia onion, and I have some yellow American cheese, okay? I have some taco sauce, and I also have the taco seasoning that came out of this box. This box has like everything you're going to need for tacos, right? It does come with the hard tacos, and it gives you the soft tacos. I have some tomatoes. My husband went to get some tomatoes and some fresh lettuce. We're going to be having jalapeno on top of our tacos, sour cream or ranch, and you see I got the shredded cheese. Make sure your hands are clean. Let's make tacos that taste good. Canelo Crawford fight is tonight. Are you guys watching it? Now, you might not see this video until tomorrow, but I still want to know, are you watching it? Who do you want to win? We're watching it, and I'm so excited. And tacos is going to go just perfect while we're watching the fight. I'm going to go right in with some Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire will always make your hamburger taste delicious, not even if you're not making tacos, right? So put a nice amount. Let's go ahead and put some salt. If you can't use it, leave it out. Okay, we're going to put us some black pepper in, just like so, a little bit of garlic and onion powder. Now, that taco seasoning packet, we use it once the hamburger is nice and fully cooked and we drain it free from any oil. That's when we'll go in with that taco seasoning. Interesting I like to do to my taco meat is put some onions in it. When you put onions in it, you're bumping the flavor up, right? And that's what we want to do. This is a pretty big onion, so I'm just going to use half of it. You can slice it, dice it, however you want. Just pretty much get it in there. And what I'm going to do, I'm not going to saute it ahead of time. I'm just going to put it right in with the hamburger and let that flavor of the onion go all through this lovely hamburger. Let's chop it up. Just like this, quick and simple. Happy weekend to everybody. I hope your weekend is great. What are you guys eating tonight? Go ahead and get this nice sweet onion in, and then we'll chop the hamburger up a little bit. If you guys don't have this tool that I have, but you can get them at the dollar store, just use the side of your spatula. It'll do the exact same thing. Try your best to make it into small pieces, right? And cut up our beautiful tomatoes that we have here. I got Roma tomatoes today. They're so fresh. They smell absolutely amazing. And I'm going to cut up a nice amount today because my family loves tomatoes on their tacos. Let me hear from you in the comment section below. What is your favorite topping for a taco? Whether it's a hard taco or a soft taco, I want to know what you put on yours. Tomatoes are perfectly sliced and diced. Okay, and then we're going to check in on our meat. We need to break it down so that our meat is small pieces. We don't want for our taco meat to be big pieces, right? So let's make our way over here. All right, I'm going to drain all that oil so it's not greasy. Lovely. Oh my goodness, it smells so good right now. Oh yeah. Drained our meat. The meat tastes amazing. We're going to go in with a little bit of chicken bouillon powder, just a tiny bit. For extra flavor, that's how you bump up the flavor, right? Putting extra things in it, making it taste good. I'm going to go in with this packet here. Okay, this is the taco seasoning. I'm going to sprinkle it, and then I'm going to put some water that makes this have like a nice creamy consistency that we're looking for, right? You don't want dried taco meat, do you? No, you don't. Okay, so it doesn't matter how much you put in, it'll all come together. Just trust me on that one. So we're going to cook this on medium, kind of mix everything in just like this, and then we're going to do something special after we let this cook for about 10 minutes with this seasoning. I told you, I was wanting a nice sauce. I want this meat to be super saucy. Look at that, but the sauce is nice and thick. I did put a little bit more taco seasoning in, a little bit more water. I added a sazon seasoning packet. So now here's what we're gonna do. Turn the heat down. I like to put yellow American cheese. It melts perfectly, and when I tell you, this amps up the flavor, oh my goodness. Cheesy goodness everywhere. Okay, so I'm gonna cover this whole top of the meat. Let it melt down in, and then guess what? We're coming back and making tacos Gina Young style. Yum. Mix that cheese in. Those of you all that are familiar with me, there's another little trick that I like to do to make my taco meat taste delicious sometimes. I'll take a half a can of refried beans, put it right in here and cook it with the meat. Oh my goodness, chef's kiss. So if you have some refried beans, try it the next time you make your taco meat. Let's make tacos. Real quick, did you know when you have a flour tortilla and or a corn tortilla, you should heat it up? If you don't heat it up, it'll be blah. You know, it won't have much taste. But all you need to do is heat this up for 10 to 15 seconds. It'll get nice and pliable, and it tastes 100 times better. So we're going to heat this up, and then we're going to make our tacos for my husband. The first thing that I like to do is a lot of times I'll put cheese or lettuce at the bottom to prevent the taco itself from getting soggy. And really, you just need a little bit, just a little nice little bed for it to sit there, right? Okay, next thing we're gonna do, we're going in with that meat, y'all. Oh my goodness, somebody look at that meat. Oh, are you kidding me? It's cheesy, it's creamy, dreamy, and we put onions in it. Oh wait, you ain't getting tacos like this at the local taco place, right? You definitely ain't getting it from Taco Bell. Oh my goodness. And now we're gonna put the fillings in. Okay, that's plenty enough meat. Gorgeous. So now here's what we're going to do. We're going to go in with some nice fresh lettuce. We're going to put cheese and tomatoes. We're going to put jalapeno. Look at that. Let's get the cheese. And he's doing ranch. You could do sour cream. Just have fun when you make them Gina Young style, right? Watch this. Jalapenos galore. He'll usually tell me, don't skimp on the jalapenos. He likes that spice. All right, little bit of tomatoes for my baby. Look at this. Make you some Gina Young style. You're gonna absolutely love these tacos. Let him put his desired amount of ranch that he wants to put on. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. Tell the world what Gina's doing in this kitchen every single day. And Father, once again, we thank you for your hedge of protection in this meal. Amen.